Hello guys, I am Tasha Shetty from Bloggers Ideas, and today I am going to do a detailed review of the Creativity and Leadership Masterclass course by Anna Wintour. But first, let me do a quick introduction to the Masterclass platform. Masterclass is a course website where you get to learn about varied subjects. What sets it apart from other educational websites out there is that Masterclass is a curated course platform that is taught by the leading experts of the industry, which is really unique in my opinion. It has two pricing structures. If you are looking into taking only one particular course, then you can pay $90 and get a lifetime access to that course. Or you can opt for an all-access pass where you can pay $180 annually and access as many courses as you wish. I would really advise you to go for the second option, as the content in this platform is simply exceptional and it's really hard to choose any one particular course. You would like to explore and know more about the courses and the knowledge that is shared by their instructors. But if you are sure and only looking for one particular course, then go for the $90 option and get a lifelong access for that specific one. Quick overview of the Masterclass homepage. Here is the profile, community, where you can start a discussion on any course or topic or network with fellow students who have signed up for the course. You can also gift an all-access pass to your friend or family member who can benefit from Masterclass. It will be like giving the gift of education and experience to your loved ones. You can access courses which deal in various topics and choose which one you would like to learn or which instructor you would like to listen to. So that was all about the Masterclass homepage. Now coming back to our Masterclass course about the Creativity and Leadership by Anna Wintour, and whether it is worth it for you or not. So let's get started. Anna Wintour is hard to be missed by anyone who is in the fashion world. She's the editor-in-chief of Vogue since 1988 and artistic director of Condé Nast, Vogue's publisher, since 2013. With her iconic heavy black sunglasses, she is a force to reckon within the fashion industry. This masterclass is a treat for all those studying in the fashion industry, as for the very first time, we see Anna Wintour teaching us what made her an effective leader in the fashion industry. You need to stay true to your own vision and to always act with clarity and with that conviction. This is what leadership means to Anna Wintour. In this lesson, she invites us into Vogue office and one of her meetings where she shows how the team discusses ideas, collections, runways, etc., and how she encourages creativity and collaboration among the team members. Through these discussions, Anna leads her team with a clear vision and her own point of view, and that they absorb and reflect everything that is happening in the fashion and large culture. She goes on to talk about the passion and conviction that is required to make a great fashion editor. She also addresses how she deals with criticism that women in leadership roles face. The next chapter is about editorial decision making, which is again 14 minutes long. In this chapter, Anna Wintour shows us about how she has made some bold choices and decisions and mistakes for Vogue, and the lessons that she learned along the way. She explores the process behind several of her controversial covers and features and why making mistakes are vital to that process. She talks about the balance between the choice of staying true to your values and when it's important to become disruptive and confound expectations. There are some key takeaways for all the people who are pursuing their careers in the fashion industry in this chapter. You cannot afford to miss this chapter out, as it gives you the key insight behind the editorial decision making from none other than Anna Wintour, who kept Vogue relevant for more than 30 years. The next lesson is about executing a vision, transforming the Met Gala, which is about 10 minutes long. Here Anna talks about the history of Met Gala, as it was not all. Now let's take a quick walk through the course. The duration of the entire course is around 2 hours and 34 minutes long. The first section is Meet Your Instructor, which is around 8 minutes long, where you get a quick introduction of Anna as well as Anna sharing her journey from journalism to working in the fashion industry. The second section is about management and team leadership, and this section has about 5 sub-videos and is about 1 hour and 9 minutes long. The first video is about getting the work done, Anna's management tips, and is around 9 minutes long. Here she walks you through some of her management techniques, like how to build and manage a good team, investing in the right people, not micromanaging everything as that can suffocate your team members, and giving them feedback which needs to be quick and direct. The second video is about 14 minutes long and is titled as Inside Vogue, Leading with a Vision. Here Anna talks about the history of Met Gala, as it was not always the cultural touchstone as it is today. She takes you to the behind the scenes of the 2019 Met Gala, where she pays attention to every detail that makes the gala one of the most influential and talked about events of the year. She talks about how sometimes the opportunities come in the most unexpected format and how bold initiatives take time. She talks about how to create an excitement for the event and how to have a compelling guest list as well as how to bring real value in anything you do. The next lesson is about evolving a brand, a look back to the iconic Vogue covers, which is around 20 minutes long. She delves into the archives of Vogue and discusses a number of her most famous, iconic and memorable covers. She talks about what goes on into the decision making and how those decisions helped to evolve the Vogue brand. She stresses the importance about how people want to change. So you cannot be stuck in your old ways and always keep your ears to the ground. Trust your team and how to bring others in process, where she talks about the September 2017 cover of Sienna Miller. There is also a section in this lesson about Irving Penn and Nicole Kidman, which was Vogue May 2004 issue, where she talks about how to listen to the master and how she let Irving Penn have his own way for shooting that cover. The last section in this lesson talks about how to use your own voice. Anna gives an example of her collaboration with actress Lupita for Vogue October 2016 issue and how Vogue has its own voice. That is what they are trying to say and what they represent. The next section is Working in Fashion, which has a total of 5 videos and is around 6 minutes long. The first lesson is Starting Out, Finding Your Voice and Succeeding, and is around 11 minutes long. Anna discusses her do's and don'ts for interviewing and also shares some practical advice like creating your vision, taking time to learn and gain experience, and to act like no one is telling you a no, to choose a boss instead of a job, and what's the best way to interact with your mentors. This lesson is of immense value to all those who are starting out in the fashion industry. So pay attention and listen to her very carefully here, as it will help you a lot when you go out there looking for jobs in the fashion industry. The next lesson is about the power of image, photographers and models, and is around 15 minutes long. Photography is critical for communicating your message and your brand. In this lesson, Anna takes a look at some of the greatest photographers and models of our time, and she also offers tips to aspiring creative leaders on the power of image and how it can be used to convey a story. The next lesson is on designers, what it takes to succeed, and is around 13 minutes long. In this lesson, she talks about what makes a designer stand out to her. She gives tips to the aspiring designers, how they need to be bold as fashion needs it, to think creatively and do something different, but that aligns with who you are, and not everyone needs to have a fashion show. It is very difficult to be a fashion designer and also be a business person at the same time. So she advises aspiring fashion designers to find a partner that can handle the business side of things and have a long-term vision for your brand. Lastly, she advises the designers to go for shock of the new instead of staying in the same and trying to replace something to do the same things that the previous designers were doing. The next lesson is about spotting designer talent. CFDA Vogue Fashion Fund, which is about 16 minutes long and a must watch for all those budding fashion designers who are looking to apply for the Vogue Fashion Fund. CFDA stands for Council of Fashion Designers of America. The winner of CFDA Vogue Fashion Fund receives $400,000. Two runner-ups receive $150,000 each. In addition to the cash prizes, the award also includes mentorship with a leader in the fashion industry. Anna further reveals what the judges look for in the new and upcoming talent, and she gives advices to help designers and creatives succeed in this field. So all those budding fashion designers looking to apply for the fund, this lesson is a must for you. The last video in this section is about case studies, lessons for creative leaders, and is about 9 minutes long. Here Anna tells us about what made creative leaders successful by giving examples of Christopher Bailey and his lessons of understanding your brand identity. Prada and her lessons of channeling your identity into your designers. The last video in this section is about case studies, lessons for creative leaders, and is about 9 minutes long. Here Anna tells us about what made creative leaders successful by giving examples of Christopher Bailey and his lessons of understanding your brand identity. Prada and her lesson of channeling your identity into your designers. And Michael Kors and his lessons of knowing and loving your customers. The last section, Parting Words, has only one video, Leading with Impact, and is about 11 minutes long. The primary role of editor-in-chief varies with each person. Everyone follows their own map. She talks about finding new ways to connect to the audience and finding bigger meaning in the work that you do, and to take credit, but also essential to give credit to others. There is a workbook that you can download as well. It has 35 pages PDF that includes Anna's tips for building a business empire and finding creative solutions. It also rehearses the topics that Anna discusses in her masterclass videos, so you can go back to it anytime to the workbook and brush up on the information that she imparts in this masterclass. So that was all about Anna Wintour's Creativity and Leadership Masterclass. Well, in my personal opinion, it is a big opportunity for all the people who are pursuing their careers in the field of fashion, as this masterclass is taken by someone who is an iconic and legendary figure in the fashion industry. And the knowledge given by her is pure gold and will help you a long way. There are other courses also available that you can check related to fashion, like Annie Leibovitz's photography course and Diane von Furstenberg's masterclass of building a fashion brand, which will help you gain deep insights and knowledge in this industry. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. We would love to hear your thoughts for the same in the comment section right below. Also, I highly recommend the Creativity and Leadership Masterclass course by none other than Anna Wintour. And if you wish to pursue this, you can find all the details to this masterclass in the description box right below. Also, if you really like this review, then please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And one last thing before leaving, do click on the bell icon.